Now today we will discuss the electric potential due to dipole. Now electric potential will be calculated on axial line and on equatorial line. So we will discuss electric potential at an axial line of a dipole first. Now we have placed a dipole. What is dipole? Dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by very small distance. So one charge minus q is placed at point A and plus q at point B. The dipole length is 2a and we have to calculate electric potential at point P at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Now axial line means line joining the center of the two charges, which is extended either in forward direction or in backward direction. So P is the point on the axis of the dipole at a distance r from its center O, where we have to calculate electric potential. So electric potential at P will be equal to electric potential due to charge minus q placed at A and electric potential due to plus q charge placed at point B. So we will first calculate the electric field due to minus q charge placed at A. So that V1 will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon minus q upon distance is AP, and V2, that is potential at point P due to plus q charge. V2 will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon charge q upon distance Vp. So net potential V will be equal to V1 plus V2, that will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q AP. AP is R plus A plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q upon R minus A. Simplify it, we will have q upon 4 pi epsilon. The LCM will be r square minus a square, r plus a minus r minus a, or this can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q into 2a upon r square minus a square. After simplification we get q into 2a upon 4 pi epsilon r square minus a square, or V will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q into 2a, that is your dipole moment denoted by P upon r square minus a square. So we have dipole moment P will be equal to q into 2a. Now if dipole is very small, that is for short dipole length is much less than distance where potential is to be calculated. So it reduces to V will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q upon r square. Okay. So electric potential due to dipole on axial line is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon P upon r square. Right? Now we will calculate the electric potential. We will calculate electric potential due to dipole on equatorial line. Equatorial means perpendicular bisector. So we are having a dipole. It consists of two equal and opposite charges, point A, point B, and we have to calculate this on equatorial line. So this distance is A, dipole length is 2A. So from the center the distance is A. Then point P at a distance R from the center of dipole. Let's join these two points. So electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge placed at point A. So V1 will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon minus Q upon AB, and potential at point P due to plus Q charge placed at point B will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon BP. Now apply this Pythagoras theorem. AP will be equal to under root of A square plus R square. Similarly, PB will be equal to A square plus R square. Total potential V will be equal to V1 plus V2. What are the values? So we will have 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon AP is under root of A square plus R square with negative sign, plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon under root of A square plus R square. This is negative, this is positive, so cancel out each other. So this reduces to 0. Therefore, we conclude that electric potential at an equatorial point of a dipole is 0.